Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 10th class social. Myself Reshma Sultana, teacher of United Public School, Tandur. In this session, I am going to continue the lesson Ideas of Development. In the last video, I explained you about what is the meaning of ideas of development and some of the lesson we have completed. Now I will continue the lesson. Listen carefully. I told you about the development of the country. No? How do you remember? See here, what he is telling, whose development? I told you about the development. Here he is asking the question, whose development? If even the idea of what constitutes development can be varied and conflicting, then certainly there can be many differences about ways in which development happens. Here what he is telling, see here, if even the idea of what constitutes development, if we want to develop the country, first we have an idea how to develop, and varied and conflicting, then certainly can be many differences about ways in which development happens. There are so many ways we have to think how to develop the country in so many ways. The ongoing protest over the Kudankulam nuclear power project in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. This is the name of the project, which is a nuclear power project in Tirunelveli. This is the name of the district in Tamil Nadu. The government of India set up the nuclear power plant in the quite coastal town of the Fisher Falls. The main aim, what is the main aim for providing the nuclear plant? See here, the main aim is to generate nuclear power to meet the growing energy needs of the country, to meet the growing energy needs of the country, so that they have provided the nuclear power plant for the people. This is also one of the main aim to develop the country. Okay, the people in this region have protested on the grounds of safety, security and livelihood. By this nuclear plant, most of the people get the livelihood and there are safety in this region. A long struggle has ensued. Scientists, environmentalists, social activists who have been critical of the project have stood by the people and supported their protest. All of those people constitutes and supported their protest. Letters of protest to the government state, you are unable or unwilling to appreciate that in nuclear energy we are comforted not only with the immense power but also an incredible potential for destruction. By this plant we had not comforted not only the immense power but also incredible potential for the destruction. We want our coast and country protected from the radioactive peril. Stop the project. Look to renewable energy as an alternative. The government has responded that the plant has followed all the safety measures and despite protest is going ahead with the project. What has the government responded? The plant has followed all the safety measures and despite the protest is going ahead with the project. So two things are quite clear from the above discussion. What we have learned here from the about this discussion, two things are quite clear. What are those things? See here, first one is different persons can have different developmental goals. All persons have not same developmental goals na. All people have different goals. And second one is what may be development for one may not be development for the other. All human beings are not same. All have different minds. It can even be destructive for the other. See here, there is an example. This is a newspaper report. See here, this is an example here telling a vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into open air dumps in a city and in the surrounding sea. What happened once a time? See here, a vessel dumped 500 tons of liquid toxic waste into the open air. They waste into the open air dumps in a city in the surrounding sea. This happened in a city, Abidjan in Ivory Coast, a country in Africa. This newspaper report, this happens in Africa. The fumes from the highly toxic waste caused nausea, skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea, etc. By this, they waste on the open air. By that, what happened? The diseases had spread. Which diseases? Nausea, skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea disease has spread in the country. Where? This is in Africa. Okay. After a month, 7 persons were died. After 1 month, what happened? 7 persons were dead, 20 in hospital, and 26,000 treated for symptoms of poisoning. See here. So that we don't waste in the open air. If we waste in the open air, then these diseases will spread all over the country. Okay. A multinational company dealing in petroleum and metals contracted a local company of the Ivory Coast to dispose the toxic waste from its ship. This is what happened in the Africa by wasting in the open air. Okay. Up to this I am stopping. Now there is assignment. See here. Assignment. Now answer the following questions here. Who are the people who benefited and who did not? By in this, who had benefited and who had not benefited, you have to write that. Second one, what should be the development goal for this country? What is the main goal for the development of the country? You have to write that. And third one is, what can be some of the developmental goals for your village or town or locality? You have to write in this your own words. You have to write about your town. What are the main developmental goals for your village or town or locality? You have to write it. You have to write with your own. Okay. Up to this I have completed. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will clarify the doubt. You have to write the assignment as these 3 answers. Write and send it to me. I will continue the lesson in the next video. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.